Hi, welcome to Patrick BMW in Schaumburg, Illinois. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the all-new BMW 4 Series that has just hit the showroom floors. The 4 Series is available as a 428i, 435i, and can be found in the showrooms as a coupe, convertible, or Grand Coupe. Some of these models are available with our all-wheel drive system called the xDrive. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 435i with xDrive. Let's start under the hood. Under the hood you'll find a 3-liter twin-power turbo 300 horsepower V6, which is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and will deliver a combined fuel economy of 24 miles per gallon. Every BMW comes with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. This includes roadside assistance and pre-scheduled maintenance. This will take care of everything on your BMW except for tires and gas. Let's take a look at some of the exterior features of the vehicle. The front end is very modern in design, and one of my favorite features of the car is that it comes standard with adaptive LED headlights, which really enhances the driving experience at night. This 435i xDrive is an M Sport and features many options. Let's talk about some of those. This 435i features an 8.8-inch iDrive screen, which is paired with a touchpad controller. The touchpad controller allows for seamless navigation of the iDrive system, allowing drivers to focus on the road while also breezing through the iDrive to connect to music, telephone, apps, or navigation. This vehicle also includes some of our enhanced safety options, which are controlled by these buttons here. Here we have our active blind spot detection, frontal collision warning, and lane departure warning. The rear of this vehicle has a very slick design with wraparound headlights. One of the most convenient options of this car is the fact that it has hands-free trunk opening. The interior of the trunk has 11 cubic feet of storage space. All BMW 4 Series also come standard with a 40-20-40 split rear seat that can fold down to accommodate larger items. Thank you so much for watching our video. My name is Colleen and I am the BMW genius here at Patrick BMW. When you stop in to see our all-new 4 Series, make sure to find me and we can go through all the features this vehicle has to offer.